This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michelle D'Amico. Amazing investment opportunity, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 5th floor unit at Smugglers Cove. Owners have voted to rebuild. Take advantage of this chance to complete a beachfront condo. The units have been gutted and remediated, and the association will soon begin putting the units back together. Owners will get to remodel their personal unit as they choose. Breakdown available of association and owner responsibility of renovations. This is your opportunity to purchase before renovations are started and create your own beachfront vacation destination. Once completed, Smugglers Cove will once again offer a spectacular beachfront lifestyle. Prime mid-island location. Huge rental income potential, as the property allows weekly rentals, including on-site property management available. Walk to grocery store, restaurants, and marina. Stunning sunset views from your private screened lanai. For more information, review the details below or contact Michelle D'Amico at 239-985-8408.